Welcome to WHITEBOARD Project Management Channel. In this channel, you will learn the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. Prepare your white sheets, grab your cup of coffee, hit subscribe, and let's start the session. In this episode, I will simply explain how to boost your performance in a simple way. Boost your performance. First, you need to start your day. What does this mean? Plan your day when you start it. You wake up in the morning and you go to work. Make a proper plan for your start of the day. If you go to the work in each day in different time, if you don't have anything planned at the beginning of your day, you cannot be planned and by planning your day successfully. In another way, plan your wake up, what time you will wake up, prepare your clothes, plan your route to your work, plan your breakfast time, and once you reach to the work, plan your time. You are reaching to work at 6 o'clock in the morning or you are reaching at 8 o'clock in the morning. It doesn't matter, just plan your start of the day. So start of the day is the key for boosting the performance. Second, plan your day at work. Means, now I need to plan my day. What shall I do today? You reach to your work, you sit on your desk and you start your day. When I start my day at work, when I reach to the work, I start my laptop and immediately I prepare my cup of coffee. I open my simple notebook and start writing what shall I do today. The critical tasks which I need to do. So according to that, I plan what I shall do because I have 8 hours at work. So I need to plan it properly. Plan it what time I can do this, what time I can do that. You need to plan your day, start of the day at work to be effective. Okay, so the third one, reading emails. Some people love emails. Other people hate emails. So there are two types of people. Those who just sit in front of the PC and type emails all the day. The others who doesn't care about emails and doesn't read either any email. In both cases, those are wrong ways to reach. You need to plan what you need to send. If you send something really urgent, you need to make it in the proper day, in the proper time, send it to the proper people with simple words, what you need, what is the message you need to send to them. Not a newspaper of documents and words, because this is all boring. Right? So reading emails are efficient. Next one, you need to plan to take breaks. You need to plan your breaks. Your break when you are going to take a breath, switch off from the stress of work. 5 minutes. Some people go outside for smoke. Some people just read something in their phones, or some people just go for drink some tea or coffee. Your breaks should not be long, but take breaks, plan your breaks. Let's say after finishing this task or after this meeting, I will take 5-minute breaks maximum to go back and be more effective. Losing breaks would lead you to decrease your improvement. So boosting your performance is depend on your break. Tip is to prepare your checklist. Your checklist is important. As a project manager, you have so many tasks, and in your responsibility to make priority of those tasks and to monitor the tasks and make sure that the tasks are completed, all the inputs has been given to the right people so they can work on the task and deliver the task. So you need to prepare your own checklist. It's not a sheet, it's just in your notebook. Just write a checklist, the tasks which need to be checked and completed this day, so you know that you have completed today's tasks. Next one is to control your tool. Means you need to control, you need to know how to work with your tool, with your software performance and other things. Simply, those are some factors which will boost your performance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.